Meaning of David Lloyd George.
David Lloyd George.
David Lloyd George.
David Lloyd George.
David Lloyd George. David Lloyd George was a prominent British statesman who served as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1916 to 1922. He is known for his leadership during World War I and his advocacy for social welfare programs. Lloyd George played an important role in the Treaty of Versailles negotiations, which ended the war with Germany. He was also instrumental in the establishment of the League of Nations. Overall, David Lloyd George was a significant figure in British and international politics during the early 20th century.